brows done. As you can tell, they're looking just disheveled. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna get my brows done. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's like 30 degrees again. And I don't know. I feel like all of my vlogs are like starting in the car. Just mapping out the day for ya. But I'm gonna get my brows done and then I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and get some groceries. I have no food in my fridge. I'm gonna make enchiladas either tonight or tomorrow. And then I'm also gonna go to the mall. I have a coupon for Bath and Body Works. So I'm gonna get a little discount on that. Get some candles, you know, get some candles, get some sprays, you know what I mean. So that's what I'm doing today. Not sure how much I'll vlog of today. This might be the only Taste of Tuesday that you get, who knows. But I'll see you guys when I see them. And they're looking great. I stopped by Trader Joe's specifically to try this drink. It is the vanilla almond spice chai protein smoothie. Somebody I follow on YouTube talked about this and they said it was really good. So I came here just to get this. Obviously I spent $20, but a bunch of other stuff I didn't need. Literally just went grocery shopping. I'm a disaster. So I thought we would try this. Do a live taste test here. It smells really good. That's really good. Picture like a thick. It's like there's coconut cream in it, so it's really thick and coconutty, with like a nice like hint of chai. Like it's not like overly chai. And it's a protein smoothie, so I think it's pretty good. I would definitely get this again. They had a banana flavor too, but the banana one is good. I should have gotten the banana one too. But yeah, heading back home. Feeling good. Okay, see ya. Got some things from Bath and Body Works. She gave me this huge bag, which was kind of her, but I didn't need it. I had a coupon. I had 2 coupons, which is like honestly the only time I'm there is when I have a coupon. If you know, you know. So I had a coupon for 25% off my entire purchase, and then I had like you get like any full-size lotion for free. So I got this on the beach. It's my favorite lotion of all time. And I got it for free. And then the lady who was working at the candles, she was working them candles, let me tell you. She asked me like what kind of like flavor, like scent notes I like. I was like vanilla, coconut, warm, and she came through. She said, smell this one, smell that one, oh, I got this one for you. And I was like, dang sis, like you really working hard over here, which I appreciate. So I ended up just getting 2 candles. I decided to just get 2. I wasn't gonna get a big one, but the big ones, they burn so fast because there's 3 wicks. I think they do that on purpose. Like they say, ooh, like 3 wicks, like more scent, but no, they burn faster, so you buy more. So I decided to just get like the 1 wick because I've had a couple of these and they last me twice as long as the 3 wick. But I got lavender vanilla for my bathroom. It smells so fresh and so good. And then I got strawberry pound cake for the living room. So good. It's like nice and it's warm. It's vanilla-y for What did I get? I got wild jam donut. I got lavender vanilla. I got strawberry daiquiri. She sold me on this. She said you have to try the strawberry. I said well, I'll get it. And then I got mahogany teakwood. And that is what I got from Bed Bath & Body, or Bath & Body Works. Who knows what it's called, okay? I finally got an Nespresso machine. Let's have a chat, shall we? Oh, I finally got an Nespresso machine. I have just been waiting and waiting to get one. Honestly, because of the cost. It's not cheap. And also because of the reviews that were on these. Like there were so many bad reviews that like these break down after a couple months after you get them. So that was really turning me off. I was like, well, I don't want to pay $200 for something and then it breaks down in 2 months. But then it was like this weird thing because there were a lot of bad reviews, but they were always sold out. Like you can never, like always on Nespresso, Amazon, they're always never in stock. So I'm like, well, how could they be that bad of an item if they're always out of stock? So I decided to just bite the bullet. I waited until I found one that was on sale. And I found this one on Wayfair. And it is the Nespresso Virtuo Plus. And this was, I think this one is originally $200. And it was on sale for like $160. And I think the only reason why it was on sale is because it's gray. The black ones were the exact same model, but they were $200. So I guess people just aren't buying the gray. I don't know, but I'm like, I don't really care about what the color is. But I'm so, you guys don't understand how excited I am to have this. I've been making coffee with like a Mako pot, or I recently bought a French press, and that is fine. But when you make coffee like every single day, I just like, sometimes I just don't want to have to think about like putting on a tea kettle to boil water, and then like sometimes it's just too much, and then like the dishes, it's just a lot. So sometimes I just want to, like lately I've just been wanting something like fast, that's good. I didn't want to get a Keurig because I don't personally like Keurigs. But I wanted like good quality coffee that I could get at home fast without having to like, you know, go through all the struggles. And then also this will help me not buy lattes all the time at the coffee shop, because I've been doing that a lot recently because I don't feel like making coffee myself. Moral of the story, I'm lazy. So let's open this up and see. Whoa. Whoa. Are you seeing? Look how these are so, like, why are they so pretty? You've got a nice separation, you've got the nice dark espresso. I'm gonna add some cream, but I am gonna try it before because I am kind of a coffee snob. So let's see what it tastes like. It's very hot. Also, it's amazing how quickly this thing gets hot. Like when I had to rinse it before I used it, the water wasn't just like warm, it was literally like boiling. Like, if you touch it, you're gonna die. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Like, this is why I wanted to get an espresso machine, because the coffee is like quality beans, quality roast. I can't even deal with it. So good.